ZTE Axon 7, let me show you how to enable the power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's use upper bar twice. And if you would like to have quick access to power saving mode, let's choose ultra power saving right here. So here we've got the information about ultra power saving. This is the most restrictful power saving mode. Let's tap OK to confirm it, and that's it. As you can see, your screen right now is very dark, but you can use your device for a really long time. So if you would like to quit this mode, let's use upper bar, and here let's tap ultra power saving mode, and you can here switch mode from ultra power saving mode to performance, so to the normal mode. And as you can see, here you've got the settings about your power saving mode. You can also find those settings by using the settings, here by tapping power manager, here by tapping power plan, and as you can see here you can also enable ultra power saving mode, or you can just use smart power save. So it's like the light power saving mode, so you just automatically adjust CPU and GPU usage based on the usage scenarios, and basically this is the power saving mode that you can also use. But in my case, let me go back to the performance mode. You can also use auto ultra power save settings right here, for example to enable this mode when you have 15% of the battery, or to use the scheduled time. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.